Nice. Yeah, it smells like horse farts.
Yes. Now short. Now short. 4. Great, hon. That's it. Good.
That's what he needed.
You're good. Now slow down a bit. Hey. Slow down a bit. Make him wait here, hon, even if he hits it. Make him wait. Got it. Oh my God, you're Grand Prix now.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm in her way. Slow it down a bit. Oh no, circle. He's a little too much for him now, huh?
Yeah.
Right? Now sit tall. Sit tall, and then you can still ride him. Sit tall. He's gonna rush. He's gonna rush out.
He has huge stuff.
Beautiful. And you're good. You're good.
He has huge muscles and desires to run off and be a baby.
I love